Hi everyone. Today we are going to try a science experiment. I've seen this online and I thought it was pretty cool, so I thought we could try it. So I'm going to show you first everything that you need. So you need a plate, some milk, some food coloring, some Q-tips, and some dish soap. Now, I don't have the food coloring that comes in the squirty jars, so I just put the food coloring into these little containers so that I could drop it into the milk, and hopefully this works. So we'll try that. I also picked 3 colors. I picked red, blue, and yellow, the primary colors, so that when the colors mix, you'll see what I mean. We'll be able to see some other colors that the primary colors make. So to start, I'm going to take some milk and just pour it slowly onto the plate. I'm going to move this bowl so you can see, like that. So just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to take my food coloring, and you're supposed to drop it into the water. That's why the other ones are easier to use, but I'm just going to try and make drops fall into the milk. So you go drop, drop, and then hopefully I can get another drop. Hope you can see that. Just use this to make another drop. This one's a little bit harder to do because the food coloring is thicker. So I'll just make some drop off of here like that. So we'll get some more drops in there. Okay, so that's the blue, and now I'm going to add some yellow. And you just put it randomly all through the milk, just some more drops, like that. And then finally some red. Okay, then what you do, so if you can see, I'm going to show you, I'm going to move the camera, is I've just put drops of color into the milk, like that. Now, what you do next is you take the soap and you put some on the tiny bit on your Q-tip, and I'm going to hold the camera up again so you can see, and then you just touch the colors wherever the colors were, and then you can see them all spread. Wow. As soon as the soap touches, it makes the colors all bounce around the plate. Now, this might have worked a little bit better if I had the other food coloring. This is a concentrated food coloring, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'm going to see if I can add a little bit more. You can just play around with it, see what happens. But this is the concentrated, so it's might be acting a little different. I know it's hard to get out to the stores if you don't have any food coloring at home, but even sometimes drink crystals work. Like if you have some Crystal Light or some Kool-Aid or something at home, sometimes those work as well. So let's try one more time, see if we can get the colors bouncing a little bit more. But they are mixing, which is pretty cool. So let me get a little more soap. And I'm going to hold this up again. And you just touch the color. And then it all spreads. It's pretty neat how it all moves like that just from the soap. You see it dancing, mixing up, I see some green now. There's a little bit of green because the colors are mixing. I see a little bit of purple right there. Very cool. So this is something, it's not too messy if you want to try it at home and if you have all the stuff that you need. But that was fun to watch. See you guys next time.